Will and I also didn't talk for 4 years. 4 years din po kami hindi nag-usap.
Pero si Will, kasama nyo dito.
Yes, yun nga po yung tinutukoy ko na...
Hindi mo naman inaway si Will dito.
No, dito. Best friends kami sa story.
Ako yung prinsesa dito, ah.
Yun po yung example. Will and I didn't talk for 4 years. As in, he would just greet me on my birthday. That's it. As in,
Tapos deadma ka lang.
I say thank you. Nagte-thank you naman po ako. Pero bukod dun, pag nakikita kami, invisible. Ganun
Pero
yun.
ngayon, okay na kayo ni Will.
Yes, kasi before po we started taping, we talk. Kasi yun po yung nangyari with Will. Naging okay kami kasi we both wanted to be okay na. And now is not the right time yet since kahit ako, labong-labo rin ako.